How to log out of Discord on all devices. Hey everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, I will guide you how you can log out of Discord on all devices. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Discord application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. From your home page, navigate to the bottom right corner and then tap on your profile that says You. Once you're here, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Here, scroll down a bit and head towards devices. On the devices, you will find all of the devices that you are logged into currently. Now to log out of all the devices, tap on Log Out All Unknown Devices. And here you have to verify with a password. Once you are verified, you'll be logged out of Discord on all devices. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.